to see animals and stuff like that.
So tell me about your powers again. Tell me about your omelet.
Amulet.
Amulet, sorry. Tell me about it.
Are you recording?
No. No, come on.
Why? Because you don't. Why? Because.
Where are we?
What are you asking?
I just want to know if you know where we are.
I do.
Where?
Well, I thought you said you weren't recording.
Man.
You are. We are in, I forgot. The mainland?
We are on the mainland of what country?
Mars?
Wow, we've been traveling a lot, huh? Malaysia. We're in Tanah Merah.
Jupiter?
Yes.
Venus? How about Saturn?
We're in Tanah Merah.
Tanah?
Tanah Merah, which is in
Malaysia?
Malaysia. What is that sound in the background?
A Buddhist prayer.
Muslim.
A Muslim prayer.
And where's the sound coming from? Do you remember what the name of the church is? Is it called a church?
Ding.
It's called
It's called a what?
a mosque.
Oh, a mosque.
That's right. How's your tea?
Good. Why?
Where are we? What are we doing here? What building
We're
is
waiting.
this?
We're waiting for the train to take us to. Clearly, we've never been to Singapore.
Yes, we are headed back to Singapore.